Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, respected parents and all my dear students. Today I am going to make an important announcement regarding report reading. In the March month, we were going to do the report reading, and before one day only the lockdown announced. So from that time, the report reading is still pending. One more thing is that now the government has declared for the admission process. The Gujarat government has declared for the admission process for classes 1 to 9. So the two things keeping in mind, we kept our report reading on 12th and 13th June. 12th June, that is Friday, and 13th June, Saturday. The timing and schedule for the report reading. Friday timing for report reading is 8:30 to 11:30. And Saturday timing is 8 to 1 o'clock. On Friday, we are going to call only roll number 1 to 15 of each class, keeping still the all things, keeping the safety, keeping the social distancing in our mind. On Friday, we are going to call only roll number 1 to 15 parents. Class wise, already the students are knowing their roll number. So, according to that roll number 1 to 15 parents will come on Friday. On Friday, from 8:30 to 9:30, roll number 1 to 5 parents will come. 9:30 to 10:30, roll number 6 to 10. And 10:30 to 11:30, roll number 11 to 15. So, on Friday, only the students whose roll number is between 1 to 15, their parent only will come to the school. And on Saturday, that is 13th June, the report reading will start from 8 o'clock. From 8 to 9, roll number 16 to 20's parent will come. 9 to 10, 21 to 25, 10 to 11, 26 to 30, 11 to 12, 30 to 35, 31 to 35, and 12 to 1, 36 to 40. So, this is the time period. According to that, the parent has to come. And when you are coming to school, the primary parent has to enter from the main gate, from where the students are coming. From that gate, the parents can enter. When you are coming to school, just take care that you have to wear the mask, and we request you parent that please don't bring your child with you. I am repeating again, no child should come to the school. Just keeping the safety of the child in our mind, we are requesting you don't bring your child to the campus. And to prevent the more gathering, I am requesting you, so only one parent come to the school. One more point is there that when you come to collect your child result, if your children are in the different section or different classes, like one is in first or seventh or eighth, you can come at one time only and can get your child report card. Okay students, have a nice day. See you soon in our school campus when our school will open. No need to come with your parent. Have a nice day. Jazakallah.